He locked his daughter in the car, then went to a restaurant to buy something. But just after leaving, several cars suddenly stopped beside their vehicle. Then a few masked criminals got out, walking toward the girl with guns. The girl sensed danger, immediately got out of the car and ran, but was ultimately caught by the criminals. The girl frantically called for her father, but was violently beaten by the criminals. Then the gang leader slowly approached. The girl didn't recognize any of them, had no idea what these people wanted.
Please, I don't have any money. I don't have anything.
I don't want your money, little girl. I want your soul.
Meanwhile, the father was still in the restaurant, completely unaware of what was happening outside, until the criminal raised his gun. The father instantly sensed something was wrong, and rushed out immediately. All the criminals quickly got into their cars, but the long-haired man who fired the gun stood frozen, obviously shocked by what he'd done. He was then tackled to the ground by the charging father, who ripped off his mask. The two immediately began fighting. Just then police sirens blared. Seeing this, the gang leader had no choice but to leave with his remaining men. During the struggle, the long-haired man kicked the father hard, then got up to escape, but ran straight into the arriving police, and was immediately arrested. The man held his daughter, lying in a pool of blood, heartbroken. By the time his wife reached the hospital, their daughter had already left them. A once happy family instantly shattered. And the reason for all this was simply a test from the gang leader, old Bruce, for his godson, the long-haired man, kill someone randomly when going out, and officially join the gang. What was even more infuriating, the prosecutor told the man. The long-haired man only admitted to assaulting police and resisting arrest. And since there were no surveillance cameras or witnesses at the scene, they couldn't prove he was the killer. He would get at most 3 to 5 years. This made the man incredibly angry. The person who clearly killed his daughter would receive such a light punishment. He could not accept this result under any circumstances. The next day in court, facing the judge's inquiry, the man made a decision that shocked everyone.
I'm not sure I can comfortably identify that man as the attacker.
The man then withdrew his charges against the long-haired man. If the law couldn't punish these people, he would take matters into his own hands to avenge his daughter. So the long-haired man was released in court. His brother, Yellow Hair, felt extremely proud of him, and old Bruce personally came to pick him up. The group happily left the courthouse, unaware they were already on a path to death.